I would like to clarify that this presentation was generated by an AI, meaning that it was written by a computer program rather than a human. AI technology has advanced significantly in recent years and is capable of writing coherent and informative content on a wide range of topics. However, as with any information, it's always important to verify the accuracy of the content and consult with experts in the field to ensure the reliability of the information presented. Space exploration has been a fascinating topic for centuries, and in recent years, we have made some incredible discoveries that have expanded our understanding of the universe. In this presentation, we will explore some of the most significant discoveries from space in recent years, including the discovery of new exoplanets, the detection of gravitational waves, and the discovery of the mysterious dark matter. The first discovery we will discuss is the discovery of exoplanets. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system. In recent years, scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets, many of which are located in the habitable zone of their host star, meaning that they could potentially support life. One of the most significant exoplanet discoveries was the discovery of the TRAPPIST-1 system, which is a system of 7 Earth-sized planets that orbit a red dwarf star. Scientists believe that at least 3 of these planets are located in the habitable zone of the star, making them prime candidates for the search for extraterrestrial life. Another significant discovery in recent years has been the detection of gravitational waves. Gravitational waves are ripples in the fabric of spacetime caused by massive objects, such as black holes or neutron stars. In 2015, scientists used the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, to detect the first gravitational waves ever observed. This discovery confirmed a prediction made by Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity and opened up a new way for scientists to study the universe. In addition to exoplanets and gravitational waves, scientists have also made significant discoveries related to dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter is a mysterious substance that makes up about 85% of the universe's total matter. Scientists believe that dark matter is responsible for the gravitational pull that holds galaxies together, but it does not interact with light, making it invisible to telescopes. In recent years, scientists have been able to detect dark matter indirectly by observing its gravitational effects on other objects in the universe. Dark energy, on the other hand, is a mysterious force that is believed to be causing the universe's expansion to accelerate. Scientists have been able to detect dark energy indirectly by observing the accelerating expansion of the universe. The discovery of dark energy has raised many questions about the nature of the universe and has led to new theories about the origins of the universe. In conclusion, space exploration has made some incredible discoveries in recent years, including the discovery of new exoplanets, the detection of gravitational waves, and the discovery of the mysterious dark matter and dark energy. These discoveries have expanded our understanding of the universe and have opened up new avenues for scientific research. As we continue to explore space, we can expect to make even more groundbreaking discoveries in the future. Another significant discovery in recent years has been the presence of water on Mars. In 2015, NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter detected the presence of liquid water flowing on the surface of Mars. This discovery was significant because it suggests that Mars may have once had the potential to support life. Scientists are now studying the chemistry of the water to determine if it could support microbial life. In 2018, NASA's InSight lander discovered that Mars is seismically active, meaning that it experiences Marsquakes similar to earthquakes on Earth. This discovery was significant because it allows scientists to study the interior of Mars, which could provide insights into the planet's history and geology. In 2020, NASA's Perseverance rover landed on Mars and began its mission to explore the planet's Jezero crater. The rover has already made several significant discoveries, including the detection of ancient river channels and evidence of a lake that existed on the planet in the past. These discoveries suggest that Mars may have once had a much wetter and warmer climate, which could have supported life. Additionally, in 2021, NASA's Perseverance rover discovered microbial fossils on the Martian surface, which indicate that the planet was once a habitat for microorganisms. This discovery is significant because it suggests that Mars may have once had the potential to support life, and it raises the possibility that life may still exist on the planet today. Lastly, another recent discovery on Mars is the detection of methane in the planet's atmosphere. Methane is a gas that can be produced by living organisms, and its detection on Mars suggests that the planet may still have active geological or biological processes. Scientists are now studying the methane to determine its origin and whether it could be a sign of life on Mars. In conclusion, space exploration has made many recent discoveries about Mars, including the presence of water, seismic activity, ancient river channels, microbial fossils, and the detection of methane in the planet's atmosphere. These discoveries have expanded our understanding of Mars and have raised the possibility that the planet may have once had the potential to support life. As we continue to explore Mars, we can expect to make even more groundbreaking discoveries in the future. Another recent discovery on Mars is the detection of organics, which are molecules that contain carbon and hydrogen atoms. The discovery of organics on Mars is significant because it suggests that the planet may have once had the potential to support life. Scientists are now studying the organics to determine their origin and whether they could be a sign of past or present life on Mars. Additionally, scientists have discovered evidence of ancient lakes and rivers on Mars, which suggests that the planet may have once had a much wetter and warmer climate. This discovery is significant because it suggests that Mars may have once had the potential to support life, and it raises the possibility that life may still exist on the planet today. In 2020, NASA's Perseverance rover has discovered signs of a dried-up river delta on Mars, which is a clear indication of a water body in the past. The rover has also found clay minerals, which are formed in the presence of water, which confirms that water was present on Mars for an extended period in the past. In addition, scientists have discovered evidence of an ancient volcano on Mars, which suggests that the planet may have once had a much more active geology. This discovery is significant because it helps to shed light on the planet's history and geology. In 2021, NASA's Perseverance rover has discovered signs of ancient microbial life on Mars, which is a clear indication that the planet may have once had the potential to support life. The rover found microbial fossils on the Martian surface, which indicate that the planet was once a habitat for microorganisms. In conclusion, recent discoveries on Mars have expanded our understanding of the planet and have revealed new information about its potential to support life. Scientists are now studying these discoveries to determine their origin and whether they could be a sign of past or present life on Mars. As we continue to explore Mars, we can expect to make even more groundbreaking discoveries in the future. Other recent discoveries about Mars include the discovery of subsurface ice on Mars, which was detected by radar measurements from NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. This discovery is significant because it suggests that Mars may have a significant amount of water ice buried beneath its surface, which could be a valuable resource for future human missions to the planet. The discovery of a massive canyon system on Mars, which is the largest canyon in the solar system. This discovery was made by NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, and it helps scientists to understand the planet's geology and history. The discovery of a unique mineral called jarosite on Mars, which is a mineral that forms in the presence of water. This discovery was made by NASA's Opportunity rover, and it suggests that Mars may have once had a much wetter and warmer climate than it does today. The discovery of a unique mineral called hematite on Mars, which is a mineral that forms in the presence of water. This discovery was made by NASA's Opportunity rover, and it suggests that Mars may have once had a much wetter and warmer climate than it does today. The discovery of high-resolution images of the Martian surface, which were taken by NASA's HiRISE, High-Resolution Imaging Science Experiment, camera on the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. These images have helped scientists to study the planet's geology and history in greater detail. In conclusion, recent discoveries about Mars have expanded our understanding of the planet and have revealed new information about its geology, history, and potential resources. These discoveries have also helped to pave the way for future human missions to Mars. As we continue to explore Mars, we can expect to make even more groundbreaking discoveries in the future. Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX, has a vision to send humans to Mars and eventually establish a permanent settlement on the planet. He believes that the colonization of Mars is necessary for the survival of humanity, as it would provide a backup plan in case of a global catastrophe on Earth. To achieve this goal, Musk's company SpaceX has been developing the Starship spacecraft, which is designed to transport humans and cargo to Mars. The Starship spacecraft is reusable and can be refueled in orbit, making it much more cost-effective than traditional spacecraft. The spacecraft is designed to carry up to 100 people and cargo per flight, and it would take several flights to transport the necessary supplies and equipment to establish a permanent settlement on Mars. Musk also plans to use the resources available on Mars, such as water and carbon dioxide, to produce rocket fuel on the planet, which would enable the reuse of the spacecraft and reduce the cost of future missions. In addition, Musk has proposed the use of terraforming techniques to make Mars more habitable for humans. This could involve releasing greenhouse gases into the Martian atmosphere to warm the planet and create a thicker atmosphere, which would help to protect humans from radiation. Musk's goal is to send the first humans to Mars as early as 2024, with the plan of establishing a permanent settlement on the planet within the next decade. However, these plans are still in the early stages of development and much work still needs to be done before humans can safely and sustainably live on Mars. In conclusion, Elon Musk's vision is to send humans to Mars and establish a permanent settlement on the planet using SpaceX's reusable Starship spacecraft, using resources available on Mars to produce rocket fuel and terraforming techniques to make the planet more habitable. Although these plans are still in the early stages of development, it's undeniable that Musk's vision is ambitious, and it will be exciting to see the outcome of this project in the future.